You wake up with a sudden burst of energy, convinced that today is the day you turn your entire routine around. You commit to a grueling workout, cut all carbs, and vow to do 3 hours of deep work. But by Wednesday, that energy is gone. You find yourself burnt out, staring at your phone, and doom-scrolling on the couch. This happens because of the all-or-nothing mentality. Trying to force yourself from 0 to 100 introduces too much friction, which usually ends with you crashing right back to 0. There is a biological workaround to this cycle that Japanese culture has relied on for centuries. It revolves around the principle of Kaizen, specifically applied through the 1-minute rule. Bypassing procrastination is not a test of willpower. It is a matter of replacing overwhelming friction with a foolproof biological system. Step 1. Take your most dreaded task and reduce it to a single 60-second micro-action. Massive tasks trigger a specific reaction. Your amygdala, the brain's fear center, detects a threat and spikes your stress levels. This stress response is instinctive, pushing your brain to seek an immediate distraction to escape the uncomfortable feeling. Strictly limiting the task to 60 seconds lowers the hurdle. This keeps the amygdala quiet and allows the logical center of the brain to take control. Shrinking the task is a biological hack that makes the brain feel safe enough to simply get started. Step 2. Physically eliminate your most frictionless escape route, your smartphone. Hide the device completely out of sight. Put it on a high shelf or leave it in an entirely different room. Leaving the phone face down on your desk is insufficient. If it remains within arm's reach, your brain will instinctively grab it the moment a task becomes difficult. Removing the digital escape route forces the brain to face the 60-second task without the option of a cheap dopamine bailout. Step 3. Use habit stacking. This involves attaching your new 60-second action to an automatic habit you already perform every day. For example, you could commit to doing push-ups for 60 seconds immediately after you finish brushing your teeth in the morning. For deep work, you might commit to reading for exactly 1 minute the moment you pour your morning coffee. Habit stacking removes the friction of deciding when to start, turning tasks into a seamless reflex. Step 4. Execute the task for exactly 1 minute. Track the time using a watch rather than your phone. At the 60-second mark, your brain detects progress and releases a micro-win dopamine hit. This confirms that action must always happen first. Motivation is not a prerequisite for work. It is the chemical result that follows it. Starting is the highest friction point of any activity. Once you cross this 60-second threshold, the mental barrier drops, making it much easier to continue into a full session. 15 minutes of deep focus initiated by this micro-win provides significantly more value than an hour of distracted multitasking. Motivation is fleeting. It will likely only be present about 20% of the time. On days when you are exhausted or busy, systems and routines are the only reliable tools that ensure you show up. A mediocre 1-minute workout is still a workout. Simply showing up deepens the neural pathway of consistency. Instead of trying to overhaul your life overnight, focus on these daily systems. The results will follow the consistency. Mastering the 1-minute rule provides a reliable method for building discipline through biology rather than willpower. If this video helped you rethink how you get things done, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what habit stack you are starting today.